out and do some painting. They're not going to repaint everything, but they're going to like fix some of the touch-up mess-ups. But yeah, help yourself in the video.
Thank you.
I brought a flyer here you can take with you too.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm speaking for me, my mom, my dad, and my girlfriend. So we've seen some pretty decent places and decent areas, but they don't last, you know.
No, it's a fast-moving rent.
Yes, it is. So this is like the living area right here, right?
Yep.
So this is where you...
So it's kind of got like a formal living room, and then you got the family room.
Family room.
TV over here.
Okay. All right. And then this goes into the kitchen. You got a little doggy door there. It goes out to the sidewalk. Out here. It's pretty cool.
And then in the original listing, I don't know if your mom got this one. We did make a mistake and put microwave. It doesn't have a microwave.
No microwave. Okay.
Yeah.
No big deal.
Okay.
Not a big deal. Stainless steel stuff looks pretty nice. My mom and dad used to have the same washer and dryer, I'm pretty sure. Whirlpool, good stuff. Then this goes out to garage, which is my favorite part. Let's see here, a light switch right there.
You can open the door if you want.
Yeah. Lighting's not awesome, but hey, it's a garage. Got some shelving right there. Water heater, some shelves right there. Don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done. Or when you're tired. It's probably about the same thing. So cool. Excellent, excellent. I like this little noogie here. Put all my stuff, my tools and stuff. You don't usually have that. It's usually just, you know, just the pad and then a step up and that's it. So that's cool. That's nice extra storage. So it's kind of, you come into the garage, you go left or you go right. That's kind of cool. The bathroom looks pretty updated. And it looks like, you know. What is this, a 2-bath? 3-bed, 2-bath?
It's actually 3-bath.
3-bath? 2.5. Yeah. Alright, so living quarters. This is, looks like it might be locked. Nice sliding glass door with the screen that's intact. That's what we like. Fencing for the animals, that's nice. Or kids. And you got some rock and a pool. Wonder how deep it is. It's got a little ledge right there. Small, quaint. Oh, and you got some storage right here. You could put something back here. I don't know what, but yeah. And this goes out to your sidewalk here. A little step for the doggy door. Okay. Yeah. Throw a couple dirt bikes back here. Maybe put a couple in this gate area. That's what I'm thinking. One in the corner. Okay, I'm coming back in. Let's go upstairs. Okay.
Alright, yeah, thanks for showing it.
Alright, let's jump upstairs. Kick my shoes off real quick. Carpeting looks kind of dated. It's got a handrail, which is nice. Might need to be repainted. And so this is right when you come up. Here's the main entry. Nice big windows there. It's like a bar, really, was what that should be. I don't know. That needs to be a bar. And this is going down in the hallway. I'm guessing this is probably the master. Yeah. So master bedroom. Nothing crazy. Nice windows, which this is a good position window because I think it's facing due north. So won't have too much sun coming in. And then this is the bathroom. You got a tub with a nice skylight. I like that. That's a good thing. And then this is actual rock countertop. Seems like some nice drawers. They didn't cheap out on those. They got a good feel to them. So this is the closet. Not too bad. Good room. Nice big closet here. So yeah, so far so good. The brown isn't terrible. This is a trophy cutout. And this is one of the other rooms. So I'm not really sure what's up with this wiring going on here. I don't know if that's up to code or not, but nonetheless, it works, I'm sure. Yes, it does. So this view is awesome. You get an air conditioner and a roof. Pretty small though. Let's see what kind of closets space we have here. That's kind of weird. You got a dual 3-door closet thing going on here. I'm not really sure what the hell that is. But yeah, so this is a closet. I don't see a light in here, so it's kind of hard to see. But it's a big closet. I have to say, it's pretty big. I don't know what these doors are all about, though. Like, what is going on here? You can't really get all of it. You know, it's kind of weird and janky, but it's a big closet nonetheless. So with every positive there is a negative. Ain't that true? So I think this is the best way to have it. I don't know about this thing on the floor here. There's like these little plastic things that are just kind of screwed in there. I don't know. Let's try to guide it in there. I'd probably just get rid of those because they seem to be sliding fine and straight. I don't know if you really need those. So, yeah, moving on. Just some light wear on the wood here. You know, missed painting on the trim. Just small nitpicky things like that. Figured I'd show you. So this is continuing down the hall. Straight out down is the master staircase for reference. And you got a bathroom right in between the other 3 badge rooms. So this is the other. I like this. You got a big or a small flush. And then this is your bathroom here, dated. We can update that. No big deal. This is nice. These drawers are really nice so far in all of them. Nice mirror too. 2 mirrors, dual mirror. And you got some storage for towels and whatnot in here. Another very small bedroom, but hey, it's nice. This one's got the best view. So that is the view right there. Yeah, give you an idea, size comparison. This one, and then this one here. I mean, they're small, but they're plenty fine. The only thing is they're all upstairs, so all the living quarters. This floor is pretty loud, so this is the front of the house here. Pretty loud floor, but no one's gonna be under there. So I think the garage is underneath this room. So, not bad. But anyways, I'm gonna go and get out of here. So, thanks for watching. This is the Mohawk Lane residence, just so you know. Alright, love you, bye.